Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! The best internet resources about how to build a meat smoker out of a fridge. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to build a meat smoker out of a fridge is www.youtube.com. See the page titled How to Build a Refrigerator Smoker, YouTube. This is the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page DIY Convert an old refrigerator into a meat smoker or. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.smokingmeatforums.com. The web page How to Build a Fridge Smoker, smokingmeatforums.com. Here's the link.